Hello students, welcome back in our new session. In this session we will discuss about the conversion of binary to decimal, binary to hexadecimal and binary to octal. So let's move on an example. So suppose if we talk about the binary to decimal conversion, so in this conversion suppose we have a number 10101. This is any binary number and which we have to calculate in decimal, which should be a base 10. So what we will do, we will just make a simple calculation. So in this we will put that number into this number of series. So in this from right side of this number we will put the first number of from the right side in the beginning and right of the number series. So here 10101, so we will put here 10101. Okay, and we will simply calculate all these values which have the value of 1. So 16 have the value of 1, 4 have the value of 1 and 1 have the value of 1. So we will calculate 16, 4 and 1. So 16 plus 8 will be occupied 0, so 8 will be 0, 4 1, then 4 plus 2 is 0 and 1 is 1. So 16 plus 4 20 and 1 21. This is the decimal value of binary. Simple calculation. Okay, if we talk about the octal, then in octal what we will do, in place of decimal if we put the octal value, so octal will be occupied the base of 8. So how we will calculate? We will put the binary into this number of series likewise, but in here we will have little bit change in this number, that is the binary value. So to make the binary into octal, we will make a combination of 3 digits of whole number. Like first 3 digits have a 1 pattern, 1 number, and second or remaining series have a 2 numbers. So we will add 1 0 here. So this is also a combination of 3 bits. Now we will again add both the numbers which have the value of 1. So 4 have the value of 1 and 1 have the value of 1. So 4 and 1 5. Again we will put this number here in place of 101. So 0 1 0. So this is what? This is 4 have the 0, we will not use. 2 have the 1, we will use, and 1 have 0, we will not use. So 2. So the answer would be 2 5 25. Okay. So this is what? This is our octal value. So we will put here 25 as an octal. Simple calculation. So this is the octal conversion, binary to octal conversion. If we talk about the hexadecimal conversion, binary to hexadecimal, then we will simply put the values in the series and make the value of a combination of 4 bits. In octal we make a 3 bits combination. In hexadecimal we will use the 4 bits combination because hexadecimal has the base of 16. So 4 bits combination. So from right 1 2 3 4, this is one combination. Remaining 2 values will be added with 2 zeros. So this is again a second pattern of 4 bits. Now we will calculate the values who occupied the 1. So 4 and 1, this is 5. Again we will use here 0 0 0 1. So that is 1. So the answer is 15 by 16. Okay. So now if we see the table of 4 binary values, then in hexadecimal the value of 15 is treated as F, right? So we will simply write F in place of 15. So the correct answer is F16. So the binary value is 10101 and this binary value is hexadecimal value is F. So this is complete answer of hexadecimal value. Okay. So these all are the conversion of binary to decimal, binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal. So you can also make some examples by taking any number. Okay, so that's all for today's session. I hope you will understand very well and just try it by your own self by taking any number, and we will see some other conversions from octal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to octal in our next series, next session. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.